Node.js is a popular open-source JavaScript runtime that allows developers to build fast, scalable, and server-side applications. One of the key features of Node.js is its built-in package manager called NPM, which enables developers to manage and install packages for Node.js applications easily. NPM is the largest package registry in the world, with over 1.5 million packages available for download. It allows developers to easily install, update, and uninstall packages, as well as manage package dependencies and versions. These packages are organized into modules, which are self-contained units of code that can be easily imported into other Node.js applications. NPM uses a Package.json file to store information about a Node.js application's dependencies, scripts, and metadata. It also provides a command line interface, CLI, for managing packages, which includes commands for installing, updating, and publishing packages, as well as for running scripts and managing package versions. Moreover, NPM supports both public and private packages, allowing developers to share code with others or keep it private within their organization. In addition to NPM, there are also other package managers for Node.js, such as Yarn, which was developed by Facebook and provides some additional features like improved performance and security. Overall, package management is an important part of the Node.js ecosystem and plays a critical role in enabling developers to build complex and scalable applications more easily. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with Node.js, understanding package management is essential to building great applications.